Hi, my name is Coen Wasielewski, and I worked on applications of fungi in robotics systems. So this summer I had a three-tiered approach to exploring fungi in robotics, including the soft robotic gripper, mycelium-laden composites, and fungal sensors. So in soft robotics, I typically use soft materials such as silicone and rubber, usually controlled with pneumatics or artificial tendons, and it tends to be used in surroundings close to humans or where they need to adapt or morph potentially. So on the right, there's an actuator that I made that deflects up under negative pressure and deflects down under positive pressure. And I use these actuators to make a pneumatic gripper made out of 5 actuators. It can grab objects up to 100 millimeters in diameter, and it works best for large light objects equal in all dimensions, like a cube or a sphere. So here's the pneumatic gripper grabbing a small bin. On the left, the gripper is grabbing a small piece of tape, which it does not do very well. And on the right, it grabs a slightly larger bin, which it is able to do, but not particularly well. Soft robotics requires large amounts of fossil fuel-based elastomers. I'm trying to reduce this using composites made from agricultural waste products and fungi. I'm using 25% sawdust and 75% finely ground hazelnut shell. And the fungus I am using is a species called Ganoderma lucidum. So after the substrate has been sterilized in an autoclave, I transfer it to a bag and inoculate it with liquid culture. However, this summer, the mycelium growth failed. It showed promising growth for the first 7 days, but has since stalled, possibly due to repeated disturbances after inoculation. And the final tier of my research this summer involves mushroom testing. Many species of fungi can create electric potentials when exposed to water, light, mechanical stresses, etc. The species of mushroom I used for this testing is P. jammer, also known as the pink oyster. As you can see on the right, there's a significant spike in voltage immediately after watering, about 1 to 4 millivolts. However, there's no noticeable response when adding or removing artificial light or cutting a mushroom with a knife.